Scratch your arm. Rub your hands together. Tickle your friend's feet. Pat the baby gently. Stroke the dog slowly. Pinch your cheek softly. Wave to your friend. Snap your fingers. Press the button. Slap the face. Punch the pillow. Clap your hands. Flick the papers. Shake the bottle. Crush the can. Pull the rope. Push the car. Bend your back slowly. Wring the towel. Peel the orange. Squeeze the lemon.